Hi, my name is Komal. I'm one of the instructional designers here from the Top Hat team, and today I'm going to be walking you through Top Hat Pages, the interactive and the formatting toolbar. So today to start, we're going to go through how to create a Top Hat page. To get started, click the blue Create button and select the Pages option. This is a great way to incorporate after-class assignments and take-home quizzes, providing students another opportunity to engage with the content. The formatting toolbar can be used when editing a Top Hat page. You can use this toolbar to make changes to the text, highlight important details within the text, and to make sure students see what's important. To get started, highlight the portion of your text you want to make changes to. From here, you have the option to bold or italicize the text. You can also format the text as bullet points, add quotes, hyperlinks, or a definition. Formatting your text is a great way to draw students' attention to the important elements of the content, separate subheadings, or redirect them to important links. Start by clicking the blue plus sign on the left-hand side of the page whenever you want to insert an interactive component. The interactive toolbar allows you to insert various forms of content into your Top Hat page. Once you click the button, you'll be able to create a question from scratch, import or bring your question from another part of the Top Hat course, insert an AI-generated question, embed a video, image, add a discussion, table, or add in third-party content using an iPhone. For more information about Top Hat pages, the toolbars, and other ways to drive engagement before, during, and after class, visit our knowledge base.